BITS Pilani Dubai campus is the only international campus of BITS Pilani, the most renowned university, ranked the top private and technological university of India. Well, I have been with the institute since inception, and I'm very happy to say that. And I have been heading the admissions and marketing for the institute. So, BITS Pilani Dubai was a pioneer in establishing engineering education in this part of the world. So, the Middle East did not have any avenues for higher education about 2 decades back, about two and a half decades back. And BITS Pilani were the first ones, I would say, was the first Indian university to have set up a campus in this country with the permission of UGC and Government of India. So this came up in the year 2000. So we have been here for over 2 decades now and successfully catering to the engineering educational requirements of students from across the globe. We mainly cater to the Indian population abroad, that's the NRIs, plus various other nationalities who are based around the world. Before starting with ExtraEdge, BITS Pilani Dubai had its own admission portal, which was built in-house. As you know, we are a technological institute, so we had our own people who designed a particular portal, and we were following our admission process through that. Through this platform, we were able to manage the admission process very effectively. However, it lacked the bandwidth to include marketing and lead management. Okay, with increased competition, the need for effective data management, data crunching, better engagement with students, all this, became absolutely essential. And that is when ExtraEdge came in. And just to give you a little background of the Dubai scenario, as I told you, we were among the pioneers to have, brought in engineering education to UAE. But over a period of time, there have been many other universities which have set base in this country. Dubai is an educational hub now with nearly 40 universities in this country. So with the competition growing, it became more important for us to, kind of look into all these things. And that's when we decided to go for ExtraEdge. We had actually started looking out, as I told you, for many vendors, many people who are offering this product, catering to university admissions and student management. But what made ExtraEdge stand out from the rest was that it was specially designed to cater to the requirements of the education sector. So it was not that you were catering to some other kind of, sector and then you had to modify your product to suit the education. You're already specialized in the education sector, number one. And two, it is extremely flexible and customizable to our admission process requirements. That is what we found good about your product. We cater to an international student population. So we have students from over 20 countries seeking admission each year for our programs, be it at the first degree level, which is the bachelor's level, or the master's level, or the PhD level, doctoral level. So we have 3 levels of programs, and students from various countries who seek admission to these programs. So we had unique admission requirements, admission workflows which you had to work on. So without getting us to change any of our existing processes, your product, ExtraEdge, succeeded in complete automation of our marketing and admissions. Okay, so if I have to just sum it up, it provided valuable insights on the performance of our various marketing campaigns, which led to investments in the right direction this year. Then B, there was a seamless integration of almost every platform which we were working on. So be it the social media or even the chat bots. In fact, ExtraEdge was helpful for us to even incorporate the chat bots into the system. Then C, it led to effective lead nurturing. This, which was actually not happening in a very good way earlier. So very effective lead nurturing, resulting in better conversions. And D, I would say exceptional monitoring of individual counselor performance was possible. This was something which I always found was lacking in our system, and I was not able to kind of monitor the counselors on their work schedules and how effective they are. And ExtraEdge definitely helped me in improving on this. Yes. very satisfied with the product, and so also I felt about our student base, our parent base, who had actually, dealing with this platform, who were actually applying through this platform. See, one, the international payment gateway, the integration was seamless. So, since we cater to students from different countries, so each of them have their own banking system, their own cards, credit cards, whatever, master visas. So all these things, the integration happens so seamless with ExtraEdge that none of us to applicants who have been applying to us this year, I think there were more than like 1,500 applicants who applied, and none of them seem to have any major issues with regard to their application fee payment. It was done through the portal and it was absolutely fine. They used to get the receipts on time. The payment went very well with all of them. So this was one issue, international payment gateway, which worked very well for our students. And two, we also wanted BITS Pilani to show, it's something called the white label solution, which you guys came up with, because this was something which we wanted you to, offer us. And I remember, I think it was it just took about a week's time maximum to get this happening and going. So it was just in the time of admissions when they started, and you did it very, very well. You did it very, very fast, actually. This was another thing. Then there were special workflows, as I mentioned, for each of our programs, and each workflow was different. And so this also, you did it very, very well. Yeah. And our students were absolutely happy with the kind of, what do you call it? The interface, the interface was absolutely fine. Yeah, it was very good. With the onset of the pandemic, most educational institutions faced a major challenge of connecting with the students. And since BITS Pilani Dubai caters to over 60% of the student population from outside UAE, it became very detrimental for us, because with the onset of the pandemic, we really couldn't travel, we couldn't meet parents. And that is when we felt that we did an absolute, our decision to go with ExtraEdge at this point of time was excellent, because we could actually connect with the students much better than what we would actually do by going and visiting them in person, because this platform had some wonderful features wherein we could connect with the students in a much better way. So it had the WhatsApp, it had the video calls which we could make and speak with students. So even when we didn't meet them, so we could actually get into their homes along with their parents. We could have a discussion with them through this platform, and this really helped us. And in fact, the turnout or the response was much better than what we would get by actually going to a country and having a road show or having a presentation or an exhibition. So it was much better than that. We could connect with students across the globe. Even we had students from Kenya and Nigeria and all those places who were connecting with us through this platform, and we could actually, counsel them with regard to admissions. So yes, it was an excellent decision for us to go for this at this point in time when traveling was a major challenge for us. Yes. Satisfied with the product. But what truly appealed to us was the extremely competent staff that ExtraEdge has, who are truly focused on addressing our requirements. They were available 24/7, and we received excellent support throughout our admission cycle this year. And what appealed to me the most was the turnaround time. It is fantastic. I must say, you have an excellent team. And they cater to all our requirements, every time, every minute, whether it's a holiday or it's at the night time when we connect with you. And then there's a difference in time as well. The operating times of UAE and India are different, and your team did a fantastic job. The turnaround time was fantastic. And Ruchi, who has been our account head, who has been handling our account since we started, she has done a fantastic job. I would like to mention that the onboarding which we did right from the beginning, right from the onboarding which happened till the culmination stage of the whole process, she's been extremely helpful and done the jobs as per our requirements. So what I liked was you all understand what is our requirement and then kind of translate it exactly to what we need. So that was fantastic. I think your team is your biggest strength, Abhishek. Yes, goes without saying. Extra Edge offers some very robust features and complete customizations and integration for a very competitive price, I would say, as compared to other products available in the market. So your strengths, of course, are customizations. You know, you've done extremely very good customizations and at a very good price. So these are your strengths, and I'm sure anybody should benefit from that. In fact, I would recommend Extra Edge to all the educational institutions who are operating here in this country. I'm sure you'll benefit from it. Yeah.